Hello friends, welcome to Young Muslims. Ramadan 2025 is almost here. Are you ready to make this your most rewarding and spiritually uplifting Ramadan yet? Stay tuned because in this video, I'll share the ultimate guide to preparing your mind, body, and soul for this blessed month. Ramadan is more than just fasting. It's a time of self-reflection, spiritual growth, and strengthening our connection with Allah. It's the month when the Quran was revealed, and every act of worship is multiplied in reward. So, how can you prepare for Ramadan and make the most of it? Here are 5 key steps. 1. Strengthen your faith. Start praying on time, increase dhikr, and build good habits before Ramadan. Point 2. Start fasting early. Try fasting on Mondays and Thursdays to adjust your body and gain extra rewards. Point 3. Plan your Quran recitation. Set a goal to complete the Quran or read a few verses daily. Point 4. Fix your sleep and eating habits. Reduce late-night screen time and adjust your suhoor and iftar routine. Point 5. Make dua for a blessed Ramadan. Ask Allah to make this Ramadan life-changing for you. Many people make these common mistakes during Ramadan. Don't be one of them. Avoid sleeping through far, wasting time on social media, and overeating at iftar. Instead, focus on maximizing your rewards and spiritual growth. This Ramadan, let's make a real change. What are your Ramadan goals? Comment below and let's inspire each other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic reminders and Ramadan tips. May Allah bless you all. Ramadan Mubarak in advance.